Evening. So back out. So out in the woods. Just a wee woodland hammock camp tonight. So I've got the, what have I got tonight? Just basically got my DD hammock. Just my old DD hammock, nothing fancy tonight. Just a cheap tarp, cheap camo tarp, which is flung up like a bag of tatties. But I think it's to be nice. It's to be nice tomorrow. Wasn't even going to put a tarp up at all. But I've decided just an off chance it does rain. But I don't think it's going to. I'll stick the tarp up. So that's my setup for tonight. Like I say, just the DD tarp. A wee, I don't even know if it is a 3x3 tarp. Wee camo, it's just a wee cheap thing. But I'm gonna probably cook something later on. Maybe a couple of double cheeseburgers. Not how it is. I've got the under blanket on as well. I've got my ex-army Arctic sleeping bag. That's all you need. So nothing fancy tonight. It's plain and simple, but still out in the woods. Tomorrow I'm going somewhere different. Going to another new location, another beach camp, but a lot further down the coast a wee bit. So I'm meeting up with my good pal Brian. So Brian's not been out with me for ages, so I'm quite looking forward to that. It'll be a good wee night. But stay tuned for tonight, because we're still to do a bit of cooking. Obviously get a wee fire going and stuff like that. But stay tuned. Oh, and I've got a couple of wee bits and bobs, new things that I've bought, so I'll maybe show you them as well. So stay tuned, stay tuned. Oh, somebody's turned the lights out again. Out in the woods. Huh? So, as you can tell, it's dark. So it's time to get a fire going. It's time to cook some tea. You know what time it is. What's cooking in Carl's kitchen tonight? Fire on. So, that's the bed for tonight. The DD hammock, under blanket, the wee tarp. I'm going to let that fire take hold, burn down a wee bit to coals. Then we've got a couple of double cheeseburgers in the go. Oh yeah. But before we get cooking, you know what time it is? El Cidre. So, got a wee bottle of cider, just well letting that burn down, and then I'll start cooking. So stay tuned, stay tuned. What we got then? Right, I've got cut up some tomato, some spring onion, 4 steak burgers, some cheese, 2 rolls, good to go. Just cooking in the fire tonight, and I'm just going to use the TF grill. I know Ridge Monkey do one of these as well, but the TF grill, just the same thing. So we'll get that. I think we'll heat that up. We'll start cooking. Right, let's get the pan on the coals. Heat it up. Once that is heated up, we'll stick the burgers in first. Right, I think that oil's ready. So, it's burger time. Ready for that sizzle, folks? Oh yeah. Not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4. Good to go. Right, let's cook them. Oh, sizzling. Sizzle-tastic. Let's see how it's doing. Oh yeah, that's looking good to me. Right, well folks, I think it's time for some cheese. Oh, it's really good. Oh yeah. Right. That over. We'll let that cheese melt down next. Wonder what the cheese is looking like. Think it's melted yet? Oh yeah. Look at the bad boys. Lovely. Right, I think what we'll do is shortly we'll get them served up into a couple of rolls. Oh, you can't beat cheeseburgers, but can you? Cheeseburgers over the fire. Fantastic. Oh, listen to that sizzling. That cheese is looking good, isn't it? Right, let's get into a couple of rolls, start eating. Right, the bad boys are good to go. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Does that not look good? Well, I think it's time to dig in. Right, double cheeseburgers. Tremendous. Taste test time. Oh, top notch. So, I know we out with my mate tomorrow. He's got, I think it's burgers for lunch. But then, wait till you see what I'm cooking tomorrow night. Oh yes, it's Dutch oven time. So, make sure you tune in for my next video as well. So that's going to be a good one. Cheers folks. So, I'm going to demolish these two bad boys, then I'll bring you back. Immense. Right, first one done in, time for number two. Oh, lovely. Well, can't beat cheeseburgers, can you? Cannot beat them. So, like I say, back out tomorrow night. Got a meet up with my pal, so that'll be good. Oh, I forgot to say. So, I was on I was mentioning the Daily Record, right? Then I was on the Radio Scotland, but this is the next one. Right, I've been asked to give a couple of recipes to, it must be the folk that are in charge of the Army Cadets, 110,000 Army Cadets, and I've been asked to contribute to a cookbook, like a Campfire cookbook. Couldn't make it up, could you? So, that's not just it. So, guy sends me the email, not mention his name, right, but obviously the kind of head honcho of the Army Cadets. So he tells me they've already got recipes from, wait till you hear this, Ray Mears, Jamie Oliver, and then there was like a list of like folk in the telly, chefs, park ranger gurus, all sorts of things. So I've managed to make it onto the list. So I have to give them, well, what I've said is I'll give them 3 recipes. I think they go out in 4-day expeditions. So so what I said was, right, I'll give you a breakfast, a lunch and a dinner. So what I'm going to provide, I don't know yet, but it really is mental, isn't it? Absolutely mental. But good, can't beat it. So I'm looking forward to doing that, sending that away. A couple of recipes, going to make a cookbook now. I just, I've never thought that would ever have happened, but it has. So, next thing, TV show. What do you think? Yeah, that'd be good, wouldn't it? But we'll wait and see, I don't know if that'll happen. Anyway, I'm doing too much talking, not enough eating. So I'm going to eat this other burger, then I'll bring it back again. Right, burger's demolished. So I'm just going to sit. Wee bottle of cider, just the one tonight. Just to be another wee late night camp. But I've still got the brew to go. Oh, I've no chocolate biscuits tonight, but I've got chocolate. So stay tuned and you'll see what it is. That's right, I forgot I mentioned earlier I'd got myself something, so that's what I've been wanting, a wee set of these for a wee while. So it's a set of carving knives. So I've been wanting to make one of these Cuscas. Is it a Cusca? One of these kind of wooden cups. Obviously can do spoons and all these sort of things as well. So I just bought this off Amazon. It's got a wee stropping bit of leather. I'll be honest, I've no idea. That must be something you put on it when you're sharpening it. But it's basically got the curved one for hollowing out the bowls and the spoons, and it's got the 2 sharper knives as well. But that's for future videos. But I just thought I'd show you that, because that's something I plan to do, is maybe try and make one of the Cusca cups. I know you can buy them, but I thought I'll make a unique one. So that, like I say, future video, but just thought I would show you that. Ah well, it didn't last long. Time for a brew and chocolate. Right, well, I was going to sit at the fire, have a brew. I'm just going to be pure lazy. I'm going to crack open the brew and eat the chocolate, lying in my hammock. You can still see the fire, it's just sitting over there, so time for a brew. As well as the brew, what have we got tonight? Well, not one of these in a wee while. Wee fries, chocolate cream, and whisper. So, I'm going to sit with my brew. What is it? Cheers. Sit with my brew, eat my chocolate, and then probably crash it. Up early tomorrow. Obviously I'm going this camp. So I'm looking forward to that. I'll have a good wee camp. But right now, it's time to eat some chocolate. Right, a few brews there, eating all the chocolate. It's time for bed. So, like I say, just going to be a short video. I'm not even going to film anything in the morning because I'm up pretty early. Get all packed for tomorrow, head off for another adventure tomorrow night. So, as always, give the video a wee thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit the wee bell for future notifications, and make sure you tune in for the next video, because it'll be a good one as well. So, thanks for watching folks, adios.